I'm just ready to bowl. You threw a strike before me. Gotta focus back on my fundamentals and throw it good, and then get myself in a good rhythm for the rest of the day. Oh, I picked up a washout last week. I mean, I'm keeping it clean right now, which is kind of all I need to do until I do find it. It's just phase 2. I tried the effect tour. It was just a little early for me. I didn't like it, so I grabbed my phase 2. I bumped in a little bit throwing my phase 2. I'm not getting it too far out. It looks amazing. And then I throw 2 shots in, 2 shots out, and it's just like, what do you do, you know? So I'm at 147. I don't know. Like I'm finally throwing the ball okay. Then it didn't carry. It's like whatever. But I'm just gonna take my time. I mean, last Idaho Junior Open I shot 144 game 1. So I'm just not throwing it good, but I'm finally getting a feel for it. Finally throwing the ball okay. Well, and a lot of people over here are going Brooklyn too. Man. All right. It's in the past. Let it go. All right, well, you got the 2. Whatever. Nice. That was Brooklyn, and I don't really care. No, because you missed a little out and it just sails. It's a 3-6. 176 game 1, just didn't throw it good. Hopefully a little better, yeah. It's kind of the way I'm throwing it with my hand.
You flattening it out?
Yeah, and I'm just right lane. I'd be on a turkey right now, but I mean, it's a better start than last game, so I'll take it. Just got to make my way up. 28, about, and I'm barely getting it past the head pin. Although it's touchy outside. Sometimes it wants to get back. Dude, I know. Like this right lane is actually griefing me right now. I mean, my first shot on right lane wasn't good, but my next 2 were. Like I could be, 9 spare and then 5 in a row. But it's just kind of. All right, you're up now. Come on, hey. Get a strike or a spare, okay? At least one of them, get a strike or a spare. I mean, it's hard because I'm in the dead middle. If I was like 1 board to the left, it'd be flat enough that it would carry the 10. If I got it 1 board out, it'd have enough angle to carry the 10. But both shots have been right in the middle to where I just have enough for it to deflect and not carry. Like I don't know. I'm on pace for Dutch right now because I keep 10 pinning on right. Right, I would prefer to gain some pin. Right. On 10, I had to actually get it further out now because I didn't have enough angle into the pocket, I feel. But I got that one a little further out. Disappointing last half, but you can't be upset with 2 sets. I wonder if I'll have hold inside. There we go. To bowl. Because you bowled over here and then you're coming over here because you were up again. It's just good for you to take your time and make sure you're throwing good shots. All right, now you can go up and grab your ball and get ready. It did hold. Nice try, that was good. Ah, why? Why can't this ball hit? Come on. All right, well that hooked, so this lane I have to stay. Here we go. All right. Come on. Play the patient game of climbing my way back up. It's the same spot as I did on left. It jumped more. Like left lane, this is gonna be about consistency, especially once we jump onto short.
It's starting to burn already.
Because, oh right, yeah. But even like the people who do good on this, like can easily drop on short if they don't, you know, if the consistency goes out the window. That's where I'm just like, all right, now that I'm +1, I just want to keep moving, keep going up in pins. I don't like, if I'm not moving up spots, whatever, right? But as long as I keep going up, because I know, you know, it's not the easiest thing right now to shoot 220. Like now it's doable, but. And Zathan dropped down to 10th. He was in cut last game. Now he's all sad about it. He opened with 3 gutters, but he went strike, spare, strike. So if he can keep closing frames here, he can do all right, so. And that might actually be a good shot right there. No! I don't think it, did it hit it? Say, I think, sorry. I think since the pin setter hit it, I think we have to, you have to shoot at a 5-pin. Yeah, that's okay, but you can get the spare, right? You got it. Here, just wait, Zay. They got to respot it and everything.
I'm so far out of cut.
There we go, Zay. Good shot. There's no shot that just happened. Nice shot, Zay. You're throwing the ball amazing right now. Every time my dad films on his phone, I 9-pin. I don't know what it is. I like tweaked my foot on one of my shots, and then my toes like hurt. It was like I broke my toes while bowling. Right, yeah. I think I'm gonna switch balls. I did too. I just got that out and I didn't quite get around it like I wanted it to. I was lined up great in practice and then threw 8 shots where I didn't hit my mark. So that'll help, right? Doubled in the 10th to shoot 170. 225, 205. I stoned 9 in the 9th last game on a double, so I could have shot like 220. But I'm doing okay now. I made a ball change in my idle pearl, and I'm just like, I'm barely getting it past the head pin, 10 and 30. Idle pearl. Yeah, because it pushes far enough, and I might as well try it. I'm throwing the pearl. I mean, it's just,
good line. Right,
it pushes so far, and I'm keeping pocket. Like if I keep pocket, because, I mean, transition right now is tough.
It's getting hard.
It is.
You keep moving that far.
Right, exactly, and I'm just playing right there, and
yeah.
I've never seen this before. All right. Here we go, good shot. All right, way to bounce. Nice job, man. Found your line in one shot. To this other ball, I've been way left, and my line is, I'm really liking where I'm at, but I'm like standing 33, 35, barely getting it past the head pin, so.
So it's total fallback.
Yeah, right. All right, you're on good pace right now. You've got good score for where you're at because you've got a strike and 2 spares. So keep getting them. Hey, you're up. Don't worry about the cut. Just go throw a strike. There you go. Yeah, I was just, I don't know, wasn't focused. I could be on 7 in a row right now, but I went 10 pin, 2 pin, 8 pin. Oh. 236, we will take that. All right. Or no, that wasn't me, 233. Sorry.